Hey, what's happening? This is Ryan from L.L.C Creations. We got another cool project kicking right here. Had a customer give me a call a couple days ago, wanted to know if I wanted a little restoration project. I said, sure, bring them on down. So this is what we got right here. We got one that was shot 2015, one that was shot in 2016, and they've both been hanging in a tree since they've been shot. So the weather's been just pounding on them. You know, you can see that all the color in the antlers is pretty much gone. The skull's gray. The nose piece is missing on this one. One of the nose, only half the nose piece on this one. So it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna whiten up the skulls. We're gonna put some color on the antlers, and we're gonna try to transform them, get them to look a little bit better than what they are. They're already pretty cool the way they are, but I think we can get them looking even better yet. So you want to stay tuned. I think they're going to look pretty darn amazing when we get done. So, what is going on, my fellow hunters? This is Ryan from L.L.C Creations, and we got the two deer we had come in for restoration all set. Remember how the skulls were all grayed? There was no color on either one of these antlers. We got them all colored up. We got them whitened, and man, look at the difference. I mean, look at the color. You can't even tell. They just turned out amazing, just beautiful. You know, for both of these sitting out for about 4 years. One sat out 3 years, one sat out 4 years. The weather just beating and throttling them for that period of time. Just amazing to get them to look like this again. So I'm pretty happy, excited. I think the customer's going to be pretty happy and excited. So I just wanted to show all you guys the finished product. And make sure you like the page, share this video, tag a friend. We're always doing something cool and exciting. So I appreciate the time, and we'll see you guys later.